Poverty is problematic in middle school. In middle school, students living in poverty can be triggered by family problems, bullying, or any personal issues. Poverty is when you don't have enough money to meet basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Meaning if people can't pay for school, you can't attend school, resulting in losing your education and possibly your opportunity for a career. To combat poverty, schools use programs like free lunch, free before and after school care, and community outreach. In Pittsburgh, Isaiah Nathaniel, The Foreman Journal. Have you questioned why Pittsburgh home costs a lot of money? Well, economy is a big part for houses in Pittsburgh. Economy has a big role in Pittsburgh house prices because of how it's the 25th largest regional economy in the United States. Economy is the management of financial matters for a community, business, or family. So a higher confidence, and because of home sales are directly tied to economy, results in a higher price for houses. In Pittsburgh, Isaiah Nathaniel, The Foreman Journal. If you want to have a private team in space, it comes with a cost. On April 9, 2022, 4 people were first in history to have an all-private astronaut team to reach space, the International Space Station. It took so long to make a private team because private astronaut teams take a lot of private funding. The trip cost $55 million, which is a lot for a space trip, making it difficult to fund for an astronaut team trip. In Pittsburgh, Isaiah Nathaniel, The Foreman Journal. Infamous Oscar slap being used as a defensive coaching technique. At the Oscars, Chris Rock was announcing the awards. After Will Smith smacked Chris, Coach Dion stated the slap as a new defensive technique in football. The slap has been worldwide, spreading to more and more people. In Pittsburgh, Isaiah Nathaniel, The Foreman Journal.